In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize cards or widgets in ClickUp Dashboards. So if you find this video helpful, I can request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so as you can see, I have here my dashboard, and under it we have quite a number of tasks. So I'd like to go ahead and make some changes to these cards or widgets. To do that, it's quite simple. So if you can't see your dashboard, go ahead and click on dashboard here and you'll see all your recent dashboards, or you can go ahead and create one. So for instance, I'd like to go ahead and resize this widget. To do so, it is quite simple. Just hover over it and you can see we have that double arrow sign. So if you go ahead and click and hold down using your mouse, you can now go ahead and resize it to any size that you wish. And you can see the layout has changed. So if you wish to restore it, you can also just do the same and it will be restored. You can also go ahead and do other things here, such as duplicating it or even deleting it. So that's how you can resize cards on ClickUp Dashboard. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.